श्रीमन्नारायणीयं तृतीयं दशकं भक्तस्वरूपवर्णनं भक्तिप्रार्थना च पठन्तो नामानि प्रमदभरसिन्धौ निपतिताः स्मरन्तो रूपन्ते वरदकथयन्तो गुणकथाः चरन्तो ये भक्तास्त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान्. पठन्तः becomes पठन्तो because of sandhi. Namani pramadabhara sindhau is a compound word. Bha and dha are mahapranah. Sindhau dha is mahapranah. Nipatitaha smarantah becomes smaranto because of sandhi. Rupam te becomes rupante because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu. Varada kathayantaha tha is mahapranah becomes kathayanto because of sandhi. Guna kathaha is a compound word. Tha is mahapranah. Charantaha becomes charanto because of sandhi. Ye bhaktaha bha is mahapranah. Visarga changes to so that. Twayi bhaktas twayi because of sandhi. Khalu kha is mahapranah. Ramante param amoon paramamoon. Aham dhanyan dha mahapranah. Manye samadhigata sarva abhilashitan sarvabhilashitan. Samadhigata sarvabhilashitan is a compound word. Adhigata dha is mahapranah. Abhilashitan bha mahapranah. Pathanto namani pramadabhara sindhau nipatitaha smaranto rupante varada kathayanto gunakathaha charanto ye bhaktas-tvayi khalu ramante paramamun aham dhanyan manye samadhigata sarvabhilashitan. Gadaklishtam kashtam tava charana seva rasabharepyanasaktam chittam bhavati bata vishno kuru dayam bhavat padam bhoja smarana rasiko namanivahan ahangayangayang kuhachana vivatsyami vijane. Gadaklishtam is a compound word. Kashtam Gadaklishtam kashtam because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nga, the nasal of kavarga. Tava kashtam tava because of sandhi. The anuswara changes to nu there. Charana seva rasa bhare altogether. Charana seva rasa bhare is a compound word. Bhare bhas mahapranah. Api charana seva rasa bharepi because of sandhi. Anasaktam is a compound word. Charana seva rasa bhare pyanasaktam because of sandhi. Chittam. Now anasaktam ends in anuswara followed by cha, so it becomes anasaktam chittam. So charana seva rasa bhare pyanasaktam chittam because of sandhi. Bhavati bhas mahapranah. Bata vishno kuru dayam. Bhavat pada ambhoja padambhoja smarana rasikaha. Bhavat padambhoja smarana rasikaha is a compound word. Both bhasa mahapranah. It becomes bhavat padambhoja smarana rasiko because of sandhi. Nama nivahan is a compound word. Aham gayam ahangayam because of sandhi. Gayam gayangayam because of sandhi. Kuhachana vivatsyami vijane. Gadaklishtam kashtam tava charana seva rasabhare pyanasaktam chittam bhavati bata vishno kurudayam bhavat padam bhoja smarana rasiko nama nivahan अहङ्गायङ्गायं कुहचन विवत्स्यामि विजने